Hi, I am Sagar. I am in class 4. I am 9 years old. I have a little sister. Her name is Kea. She is only 3 years old. My father is a doctor and my mother is a housewife. My grandfather was a school teacher, but he doesn't work now. My grandfather helps me with my homework. He is very smart. My grandmother works at home. She makes the best pita in the world. She helps me mother in the garden. My mother has a wonderful garden. My very proud of it. She grows the best tomatoes and cucumbers in the neighborhood that are delicious.